Mike Hughes here. I'm at Mikumba Diving. Mikumba in Indonesian means my dive boat, and you can see this is a real nice luxury boat. They've been building boats like this, a Finisi boat, up in
Sulawesi.
In Sulawesi, right at the top, hundreds of years. But this one's only a year old, and it's a lot of beautiful wood. And if it has 6 rooms on it, and if you can see here, there's 2 sea view cabins, and you have a patio deck plus the wall of the windows on the sides, and then 2 deluxe cabins and 2 standard cabins. It's a very beautiful boat. And as you may or may not know, all the sails are there to look picturesque, but it is a motor running boat. So yeah, you do get places. And this one goes from one side of Raja Ampat all the way over to Komodo, and runs the gamut. And you'll pass all these islands here, and you're gonna see the little horn sharks, blue ring octopus, seahorses.
Walking shark.
Well, yeah, the bamboo shark, walking shark. They have all kinds of different names on those. And the birds of paradise will be around by shore. And that shows you some of the things you'll see. But also, they run a trip that goes all the way to Komodo Dragon. They'll go by the Pada Island here, which is you see in the middle of the screen here. A beautiful island, and you might go by the Komodo dragons and see them. I don't know if you'll see them feeding on deer or not, but or you may not want to see that at all. You can just hang out with the mantas underneath and see the beautiful corals that are everywhere in the islands. And then besides this one, for now the longest trips that you have,
we do a 15-day trip, which goes from Raja Ampat down to Ambon, and then we do another 15-day trip from Ambon over to Komodo.
Okay.
So you could do both and have a very, very long month's trip.
And as Francisca was telling me earlier, they also have day trips. They rent another boat out of Nusantara. And that one does the day trips out of Komodo.
Yeah, it does day trips in Komodo, but it's also a safari boat, so we have liveaboards on there as well. You can do, but it's normally 3 or 4 day trips.
Okay, and so I never said the name of the boat. Jala Jahi
Laut, which means explore the sea.
There we go.
And Nusantara means archipelago, so the Indonesian archipelago.
Kind of tells where it goes. And if they want more information, they could go to, for the .com?
www.mikumbadiving.com.
Mikumbadiving.com.
Yeah.
Perfect, and I think we got the whole sea. You can see it, the long trips start up here, go down across Indonesia, and then they actually go off the map right in the corner there, which is we go all the way to Komodo.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
That's okay.